Asset editors will allow you to take control and customize the assets you have captured with your Giraffe360 camera. Your editors are available on a preset or project basis. This means you can set up your own custom settings in your presets tab, and we will process every project to those requirements. If you have a specific project that you wish to change, this can be done within the project editors. First up, the floor plan editor. In this section, you can change room names, move room labels, and adjust the specifics of your floor plan. To access this, click on the menu button on the floor plan card and select Edit. You should now be able to view your floor plan file by all floors or a singular floor. To change a room name, simply click on the text you wish to edit from the floor plan itself, or click the pencil icon next to the room name in the sidebar and type in the desired room name. Remember, if a room is unfurnished, we will leave this blank. You can also move the text by clicking and dragging it into the position you wish for it to be displayed. To hide room names or dimensions, click on the eye icon on the left-hand side. You can also add or remove different objects to the floor plan from the Objects tab. To add an object, click the plus icon and click on the object. You can adjust the size of your chosen object, move it, rotate it, or delete it as per your preference. We also have custom shapes available. For kitchen units or islands, these can be resized and customized to fit your desired shape. Here are the additional settings available within the editor. This section shows you how you can change your project settings if you wish for them to differ from your presets. Click on the settings icon in the sidebar. Here, you can change the language, measurement preferences, branding, and layout options. Selecting to have an adaptive layout will allow for a bigger view of the floors by removing excess blank space from the grid view. Lastly, you can select your content download options. If needed, you can add the option to have the floor plans without branding, as well as download larger files if needed for printing. Once you are happy with your changes, please remember to save and close. This will instantly update the changes you have made.